Hey, my beauties. You are going to love this video because sometimes a guy won't say, I love you, but his entire behavior is quietly screaming it. He's not dramatic, he's not loud, and he's definitely not obvious, but the signs are there. If you've ever overthought his actions, reread messages, or wondered if you're imagining things, this video is for you. Men often show love in subtle, emotional ways that get overlooked. They express it through consistency, care, and presence rather than words. That's why so many girls stay confused even when love is right in front of them. Before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe to SoulSync, and comment while watching, because I promise at least one point will hit way too close to home. Don't skip any point, because the quiet signs are always the deepest. Let's get into it. 1. He watches you when you're not looking. You catch him staring at you randomly when you're doing nothing special. Not when you're trying to look good, but when you're just existing. The moment you notice, he looks away quickly like he got caught. That look isn't curiosity or attraction alone, it's emotional attachment. When a guy loves you, he watches you exist in your natural state. The way you laugh, talk, or get distracted fascinates him. He finds comfort just being able to look at you. It happens without him thinking about it. His heart does it before his brain does. That kind of staring comes from feelings sitting deep inside him. You're not just someone he likes. You're someone his heart reacts to. He doesn't even realize he's doing it, and that's one of the clearest signs of love. 2. He compliments you in soft, personal ways. He doesn't always say you're beautiful or you're hot. Instead, he says things like, you're different, you're calming, or I like how your mind works. Those compliments feel deeper and more personal. They stay with you longer. When a guy loves you, he notices things others overlook. Your tone, your reactions, the way you care, or the way you think. He compliments your essence, not just your appearance. That's emotional attraction. Those words hit your heart because they're real. He's not flirting for attention. He's expressing how you affect him emotionally. And when compliments feel genuine like that, love is already involved. 3. Your mood changes. His entire energy. If you're sad, he feels unsettled even if you don't explain why. If you're quiet, he notices immediately. Even when you say you're fine, he knows something is off. Your emotional shifts don't go unnoticed by him. When you're happy, his mood lifts naturally. When you're overwhelmed, he feels heavy too. That emotional syncing doesn't happen casually. It happens when someone cares deeply. You don't just exist next to him emotionally, you affect him. Your emotions influence his state of mind. And when someone's mood is tied to yours, love is already present. 4. He protects you in small, quiet ways. He asks if you reached home safely without being dramatic. He notices when something makes you uncomfortable and adjusts immediately. He steps in subtly when he feels you need support. These actions come naturally to him. This isn't controlling behavior, it's instinctive care. He wants you safe, comfortable, and okay. Your well-being sits close to his heart. He doesn't need recognition for it. A guy doesn't act like this for someone he's casual about. Protection comes from emotional attachment, and emotional attachment is rooted in love. 5. He remembers tiny random details about you. He remembers things you forgot you even said. A random food you like, something you don't enjoy, a story you told once without thinking much about it. He brings it up later casually. Love makes people listen differently. He doesn't store those details intentionally. They stay because you stay in his mind. That's emotional presence. When someone carries small pieces of you like that, it means you matter deeply. Those details build emotional closeness quietly, and quiet closeness turns into love. 6. He gets nervous at the thought of losing you. When there's distance between you, his behavior shifts. He becomes quieter, more serious, or suddenly more attentive. That change isn't disinterest, it's fear. Fear of losing you. A guy who doesn't care won't react to distance. A guy who loves you feels it immediately. The idea of you slipping away unsettles him emotionally. Even if he doesn't say it out loud, his actions show it. Fear of loss is one of the strongest indicators of love, and it always shows. 7. He respects your boundaries without complaining. He doesn't pressure you emotionally or physically. When you say no, he listens. When you set boundaries, he respects them. That restraint comes from care. When a man loves you, your comfort matters more than his desires. He wants you to feel safe with him. That respect isn't accidental or forced. Respect mixed with emotional care is deep love. It shows maturity and sincerity, and that kind of love lasts longer than passion alone. 8. He shows up when things get heavy. He doesn't disappear when things get emotional or messy. When you're overwhelmed, confused, or low, he stays. He may not always know what to say, but his presence remains. Many people show up for fun moments. Few stay for emotional ones. His consistency during difficult times speaks louder than words. Love isn't proven in excitement. It's proven in staying. And if he stays when it's hard, he loves you more than you think. Love doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers through consistency, care, and emotional presence. If this video made you think of someone, trust that feeling. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which sign felt a little too real? Soft love is real love, and you deserve it.